என்னோட பேர் Arumugam, Sri Annai Travels என்ற proprietor. 1997 வந்து நாங்கள் Sri Annai Travels என்ற கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். 2011 வந்து Eicher buses பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி நல்ல பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ், மைலேஜ் அண்ட் எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்குது.
My name is Ezhilarasan. I am the managing partner of Sri Annai Travels, and we are having 24 numbers of Eicher vehicles, which is really a very good low maintenance vehicles. And as we are being employee transportation, we have to be on time on every time. So this is really a very good vehicle. The service support is also very good with Eicher. In these Eicher vehicles, while the passengers' feedback is very good, they are feeling a very good comfort and safety and everything is very good. And these Eicher vehicles, the drivers are very comfort to drive these vehicles, and they are feeling very good to drive those vehicles. And having this My Eicher app, in this we can monitor everything about that fuel training, fuel theft, and the driver activity and everything. It is good. So it is a very good application they developed with this Eicher. Overall, this Eicher vehicles is also very good.